Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoy this video. Check out some of my other content and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, I'm doing this video a little bit different. I'm not going to do any editing, so I'm just going to record and talk while I record. So let's see how this comes out. So this is going to be a Boxy Charm unboxing, but quickly I wanted to give you guys an update on some products that I did talk about in my previous Boxy Charm unboxing and my Sephora haul. So the first thing I wanted to update everybody on was this Fenty Skin Fat Water. So basically it's like a hydrating toner. It helps with dark spots. It helps with shrinking your pores and then keeping your face moisturized. Keeping your face hydrated. I do normally have oily skin, but my skin still needs to be hydrated. So I've been using this in the mornings, in my morning routine and my evening routine. And you can see about how much I've used. So since I've been using it, it's only been, I think, 3 or 4 weeks. My skin is starting to brighten up a little bit and some of my pigmentation is starting to fade. It does take a while for something really to make a difference in your routine to really make a difference in your skin, but I have noticed subtle differences. So this is something I'm going to continue to use, and that is the Fenty Skin Fat Water. This was in my Boxy Charm. This was the Pharmacy Daily Greens, and it's an oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya. So I've been using this in my my daytime routine, and it's a gel moisturizer, so it's not creamy. It's a little bit lighter, and I feel like even though I have oily skin, this does not add to that oiliness. So I'm not matte all day. I do have like kind of a natural shine, but I'm not oily, if that makes sense. So I've been using this, and no, I did not like the way that it smelled, but you can see, like, you guys, I've been using the heck out of this. I don't love the smell. However, I love the way it feels on my skin. And when I'm doing my moisturizing, I make sure that I moisturize my neck and my upper chest area as well with that moisturizer. That's why I use so much. But this possibly could be a repurchase as well. Definitely the Fat Water is going to be a repurchase. This was in the Boxy Charm as well. And this is a lip mask. So I've been using it at night, and then sometimes I use it throughout the day. Like if I'm kind of feeling like my lips are a little dry and I need a little bit more heaviness, I have been using this. This is a $25 lip balm, so I don't know, lip mask, excuse me. I don't know if it would be a repurchase, just because you can get a lot of lip mask a little bit cheaper than $25, but I do love this a lot. So those were just 3 updates I wanted to give you on the last Boxy Charm unboxing and Sephora haul that I did. And I will go ahead and link those videos, or link that video in the cards above for you. So the reason we are all here, this is our February Boxy Charm. Let me bring you guys out a little bit. This is the February Boxy Charm. And I'm not going to lie, I have watched a few videos, which I should have waited. And I already did open it, but let's just put this to the side and start talking about what's in it. So right on top, you have the Boxy Charm, the little flyer. Ooh, you have the little flyer. And then this is the box that I have. All of the boxes are, not all of the boxes. There's variants on boxes. So this is the box number that I had. C21020111BA. And this is the base box. So basically for $25 a month, you get 5 full-size products, and that value should be about $125, $150. So I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing. And what was right on top was this beautifully packaged, I already know what it is because I've been watching videos. So it is an eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauté. And this palette is called the Nostalgia palette. And I am going to open that. And I like to use tweezers to open stuff. It's just a little bit easier for me because generally I have long nails. And I do sell those tweezers on my website if you're interested. So this is the palette, and this is what it looks like, you guys. So kind of like my nails, if you guys watch my nail content, I am a little bit muted. I'm not very colorful. Like even when I get dressed, I might have a pop of color. So as far as these go, these are very pigmented, these are very colorful, and this would be something that is brand new for me. I haven't been as into makeup as I used to be in my younger years. Like I'm hella old, but one thing, I don't do eyeshadow like I used to. But even when I used to do a lot of eyeshadows, I didn't do a lot of bright colors like this. So I am just gonna take this pink Picnic. Look at that, you guys. So I've never tried this brand before, but I do hear a lot of good stuff about it. And then when people were doing their unboxings, they did say a lot of good stuff about this brand. I do like how that went on. It feels really creamy, so I'm actually going to try and do a makeup look with this bright eyeshadow. Definitely, if you want to see what I come up with, follow me on Instagram, because I'll probably just put it in my Instagram stories. So that's that, and it also has the mirror as well. So what else is in this box? Okay, actually, let's go to this card and see what that palette is worth. So basically that palette is $38.99. And the next thing I'm gonna look at is Saint Luxe Beauty, and these are limited edition liner duo. So these are to be $40 each. And the colors that come in here are Love Letter and Secret Admirer. Okay, these are the shades, and they're pretty similar shades. Packaging is cute. So this is Love Letter. More of a reddish brown. Oh. Yeah, these are pretty dry. Huh. Okay, I can't. I have to sharpen it, but yeah, when your lip liner just breaks like that they're a little dry. So that was Love Letter. And then this one is Secret Admirer. And I'm not putting a lot of pressure, but this feels a little dry as well. My hand's moisturized, so it shouldn't, I don't know. These are okay. I guess I will try them because I already swatched them, so I can't give those away. So I'll definitely try those and see. But for $40 for 2 lip liners. Okay. So the next thing I have here is Wander Beauty, and this is a double date lip and cheek. So this is valued at $22. And it says, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. The lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly into skin, while the clear shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. Let's see. That's kind of a little pink for me. So that's the... So I guess you could put either one of these on your cheek. If you want it glow on your cheek, I don't know why you would put that instead of a highlighter. I don't know, but I don't know too much about makeup. So if someone knows, let me know. Oh, wow. Oh, this just melts. I'm putting it on my lips. And I just smelled it. It just smells waxy. There's not really a scent to it. Let's look at the ingredients. Yeah, it's both bunch of words. So it has sunflower seed oil, safflower seed oil. Oh my gosh, this is so small. I could barely, yeah. So it does have, I'm not sure about putting this cream on my cheeks just because I'm naturally oily. And this is a little pink for me. So I don't know. Yeah, this is super pink. I am not showing you guys what this looks like. It looks, yeah, so maybe I could just mix that in with another color, like a nude color, and kind of, it's extremely pink. Okay, so the next thing I have is Livito Age Away Hydrating Cream. So it's supposed to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin texture, a high concentrate of plant actives, including antioxidant-rich sea buckthorn and evening primrose seed oil, also rich in fatty acids, promotes cellular regeneration to restore elasticity and firmness. And then this is just no silicones, parabens, animal testing, dyes, blah, blah, blah. Vegan friendly, recyclable. Formulated for daily use. Ugh. It's sealed. I'm probably not going to use this right now. I don't need any fine lines to be erased. So I'm probably just going to save that and just give it away. Or maybe use it at a later date before it expires. And so once it's open, it has 12 months. So I'm just going to put that to the side for a potential giveaway because I don't really need it. And then the last thing we have is this Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence. So, I'm sorry, this Age Away is valued at $55. This skin essence says it was developed by the inventors of K-Beauty's first BB cream. This hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This cushiony, non-sticky formula instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow. So this is valued at $46. So it's a hydrating skin essence. And this is pretty heavy. Oh, wow. So it says use after washing the face and tidying up skin texture. I don't know what that means. Dispense an appropriate amount onto your palm and gently apply on the face in the direction of skin texture. I don't know what that means. In the direction of skin texture. Help me out, guys. I have no idea. So there's... Where are your ingredients? Water, glycerin, glycol, 2 types of glycol. I don't know how to pronounce those names. Linseed extract, sodium citrate, citric acid, hyaluronic acid, a bunch of stuff I can't pronounce. So let's see what this smells like. I think I might try it. I wonder if I would use this before or after my fat water or instead of. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know. It doesn't really smell like anything to me. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. The one thing about skin, for my experience, I'm not a dermatologist or an esthetician or a skincare, anything like that. I don't want to try too many things. Like, I did add the fat water and that daily greens to my, well, actually replaced that moisturizer with the moisturizer I was using, and that's been working for me. So I don't want to do too much as far as skin goes, which is one reason why I probably don't want to try this. But as far as the Boxy Charm goes, I was kind of hoping for like more makeup than skincare, because I kind of know what I want to buy and things that I want to try. This is good for new stuff too, but I don't want to just be putting everything on my skin. So I was hoping for more makeup. So we're going to kind of see how it goes the next few weeks, the next few boxes, maybe 2 or 3 more boxes, and decide if this is something I want to continue to review. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Who's using Boxy Charm? What's your experience been with Boxy Charm? If you use it or have used it, definitely let me know in the comments down below. As far as the makeup goes, like, the only thing I'm really excited about in this entire box is this palette. So this palette is, let me see, $48. So basically I just paid $25 for this palette and got some samples. That's kind of how I look at it, because I will definitely try this. I'm not excited about it, but I will try it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Especially, like, I would like to know you guys' experience with Boxy Charm. Like I said, I'm going to give it a few more boxes and see how it goes. Also, just monitoring how well these videos do on my channel. In all honesty, the first video didn't do too well. So, you know, it might be a thing that might do well, might pick up over time. But, you know, if these aren't really doing well and I'm not really getting the products I want, this might not be something I continue. But I might continue my skincare or my makeup journey or what have you in a different way. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I do appreciate you guys spending your time with me. And I will see everybody soon again for another video.